November 908 Foxtrot, one more arrival, then I'll get you going.
Do that, 98 Foxtrot.
65 all the way.
Chino Tower, Twin Cessna, 777 Victor Foxtrot, approximately 15 miles to the east, inbound, full stop.
Twin Cessna 777 Victor Foxtrot, Chino Tower, ident, say altitude.
Ident, altitude 4,000.
Yep.
Information November.
November 0, correction 7 Victor Foxtrot, you're going to go through like 4 other people's airspaces before you go through mine. I highly suggest you contact SoCal Approach on 135.4 since you are about to enter their airspace. November 8-7 November, cross runway 26 right at Papa.
What happened there?
738 November, crossing 26 right at Papa.
November 6 Juliet Alpha, turn right at Kilo. How was the ride inbound? Any turbulence?
It was a little bouncy. Yeah, they kind of released me a little high, so that's why I was a little high there, but it's all good.
November 6 Juliet Alpha, thank you. Contact ground point 6, good day.
Good day.
November 8-7 November, taxi full length, runway 26 left via Bravo, first left turn for Bravo, and you'll see a beach Sierra, I believe, down at the end there, all the way down.
Hey, November, Roger, we'll go to the far end, 7387
November 070, turn right at Lima, then contact ground point 6, good day.
070, so long.
Number 908 Foxtrot, left turn towards Corona, approved, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Number 1120 Zulu, Chino ground, safe position.
We are just off of Juliet, back in the parking area.
Number 20 Zulu, and say taxi request.
We'll like taxi to 26 right for departure.
Number 20 Zulu, runway 26 right to taxi via Juliet Alpha, cross runway 21.
Chino ground, that's a 52070 off runway 26 left at Lima, taxi to AIA.
Number 52070, Chino ground, taxi via Lima Kilo, cross runway 21, hold short of runway 26 right.
Lima Kilo, cross runway 21, hold short of runway 26 right at Kilo for 070.
736, Juliet Alpha, like to taxi the northeast hangar.
So the big thing is people can confirm you don't want to turn here, that's a runway.
Alpha Delta Mike.
Alpha Delta Mike, thank you, 736 Juliet Alpha.
This is where it gets confusing here at the airport. You really got to pay attention. A lot of people will turn here, but then there's two other taxiways. This is Delta, and then the other one's Kilo. We're going to go on Kilo.
20 Zulu, I just need the read back with your call sign. Read back of 26 right with your call sign. Same transmission, please.
Juliet Alpha,
okay, so this is Delta.
Short 26, 1120
Straight ahead, Q.
Depart straight out.
We want Kilo.
20 Zulu, Roger, I understand that, and you left out the right. We have parallels here for 26. I just need to verify. Hold short of 26 right.
Well, we'll hold short for 26 right, sorry about that.
Then he told us to hold short up here.
40 Zulu, and just the rules state that I need that hold short with your call sign in the same transmission.
What?
Sorry. Juliet Alpha 21, hold short 26 right, 1120 Zulu.
What?
Hold on.
And Cessna 070, stand by for one arrival. Traffic additionally is departing now.
070, we'll hold short of 26 right at Kilo. Okay, so we got an arrival coming in. This is where you really got to pay attention, right?
Yeah.
You got to really...
070, cross runway 26 right at Kilo, no delay.
070, cross 26 right at Kilo, no delay. Okay, here we go.
I got it.
Mole 5 and company, proceed on Bravo, hold short of runway 26 left.
Chino, ground Mole 5, I'm by myself, and I will hold short of 26 left to Bravo.
And ground 070, we're going to AIA.
070, taxi via Kilo.
Via Kilo to AIA for 070. Thanks for the help today with everybody. All right, busy day.